Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Fiat 500L tire pressure. First, always ensure all 4 tires are inflated to the correct pressure, typically found on a sticker inside the driver's door. This is a crucial first step before attempting any reset. Once your pressures are accurate, turn your vehicle's ignition on, but make sure the engine remains off. This prepares the system for the reset procedure. Next, you'll need to access your car's menu. Use the buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the display until you find the Tire Pressure Reset or Reset Tires option. This is typically located within the main vehicle settings. Some models might have a Set button near the radio to enter the menu, then use arrow keys to navigate. Once you've located the Reset Tires option, select it. The system will likely ask you to confirm your choice. Simply select Yes. After confirming, the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating the reset has been successfully initiated. This process usually takes only a few seconds to complete. To finalize the reset, you'll need to drive your Fiat 500L. Drive at a speed exceeding 15 miles per hour or 25 kilometers per hour for a continuous period of at least 10 to 15 minutes. This driving allows the tire pressure monitoring system to properly recalibrate and learn the new, correct tire pressures. The warning light should remain off after this drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.